Alice, long time. How are you?
I'm great.
Okay. What's keeping you busy? Ano pa mga ginagawa nyo ngayon?
Being a mom pa rin. I finished a movie a few months ago with Imelda Papin, her life story. We're just waiting for the premiere. Kasi parang it keeps on getting postponed.
Naging special screening na sila sa iba-iba.
Special screening sila. And then I'm busy with some businesses at the moment. So I'm hoping I will start a new show in the next few months. Kasi marami nagko-complain na mi-miss daw nila.
Yes. Kaya nung nakita kita, hindi na kita pinakawalan.
So yeah, I'm looking forward also to the opportunity. Wala pang final, so I don't have anything to announce yet. But when I do, I'll let everybody know.
Teleserye man ba ito? Are you considering teleserye?
Yes.
Namimiss mo ang showbiz, syempre.
I do. It's been 2 years na since my last teleserye. But wala pang magandang role eh. But meron na.
Okay, ano po ba yung role na hinahanap nyo? Na makakapag-yes agad, gano'n.
I think something challenging, something different, something of my age bracket. Siyempre, I cannot play a teenager anymore, diba? So something meaty, something. Usually the roles that Sherry used to play, our dear friend Sherry. So something like that.
Okay. Ma'am, alam ko madalas na itong tinatanong sa'yo. Parang hindi ka tumatanda. Ano daw ba ang sekreto sa buhay na ganyan ka pa rin kaganda?
Well, I drink a lot of buko juice.
Okay. Buko juice.
I've been trying to take care of my skin now. Dati kasi hindi ako maalaga sa skin ko. And healthy eating, exercise.
Ma'am, tinatanong ko to sa mga medyo matagal na sa industry. Meron ka bang experience na tipong hindi ka pinansin or medyo dinetma ka ng isang younger actor sa'yo sa set? May ganun ka bang experience? Yung dinetma ka or nasungitan ka?
Hindi naman, there was, syempre pag hindi ka kilala, but it's not the intention para sungitan ako or anything. It's because, the younger generation doesn't know our generation. Pero lang. Pero sa umpisa lang yun.
Okay, pero walang issue sa'yo.
Walang issue.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, picture.